trail running is not forgiving. One bad step, one sketchy descent, or one shoe that slips when it should grip, and the run is over. That is why choosing the right trail running shoes in 2026 is no longer just about cushioning and tread. Modern designs are engineered systems that balance traction, protection, stability, and efficiency across dirt, mud, rock, and technical terrain that punishes mistakes fast. Today, we are breaking down the best trail running shoes of 2026 that actually hold up when mud gets deep, rocks get sharp, miles stack up, and fatigue sets in. Adidas TRex Aravic Speed Ultra. Step onto the trail and feel the ground propel you forward. This is the Adidas TRex Aravic Speed Ultra, a trail racing shoe engineered to make every mile feel faster and more effortless. Designed for runners who chase speed and efficiency, it turns flat fire roads and smooth trails into a playground for cadence and momentum. Built for moderate terrain where packed dirt and smooth surfaces dominate, the Speed Ultra isn't meant for gnarly rock fields. It's a race day weapon engineered to keep your energy flowing from start to finish. Underfoot, Lightstrike Pro midsole foam pairs with integrated energy rods to create lightweight stiffness, delivering plush cushioning and dynamic rebound. The dynamic rocker geometry further enhances stride efficiency, promoting smooth or natural forward motion while reducing fatigue on fast trails. The upper combines thin, breathable mesh with seamless synthetic overlays and a gusseted tongue, creating a secure mid-foot wrap while keeping airflow high. The semi-sock design sheds water quickly and keeps debris out, perfect for crossing light creeks or running dusty tracks in warm conditions. Continental rubber on the outsole provides reliable grip in wet and dry conditions. Lugs range from 2.5 to 3 millimeters, optimized for speed and nimbleness on packed dirt and gravel rather than aggressive technical terrain. Weighing in as a lightweight yet performance-focused option, the Adidas TRex Aravic Speed Ultra is priced at about $220, offering elite-level trail racing technology for runners seeking fast, responsive, size and efficient footwear for ultra courses or high-intensity training runs. Asex Metaf Fuji Trail. Asex Metaf Fuji Trail delivers next-level cushioning with carbon plate propulsion, keeping every stride effortless on medium terrain and long-distance runs. Underfoot, the midsole blends FF Turbo and FF Blast Plus foams to absorb impact and return energy with every stride. The result is a soft landing paired with a responsive toe-off that pushes you forward, not just cushions your feet. A full-length carbon plate adds subtle stiffness and enhances propulsion on flat or rolling trail sections, giving your cadence a confident, controlled boost over longer runs. The upper features Motion Wrap. TR Mesh, breathable and fast-moving, keeping feet cool while incorporating recycled materials to reduce waste and carbon emissions. Reflective details improve visibility in low light, and the integrated gaiter system keeps small rocks and dirt out. Comfort is immediate thanks to the Ortholite sock liner, which uses a solution-dyed process that cuts water usage by about 33% and carbon emissions by roughly 45%. Traction comes from Asex Grip Rubber, gripping packed dirt, gravel, and moderately varied trail surfaces with confidence. While the tread isn't designed for deep mud or technical rock fields, it excels on runnable trails, helping you maintain stability and momentum. Prices at $250, the Asex Metaf Fuji Trail is a premium, high-performance trail shoe that blends advanced cushioning, carbon plate propulsion, and adaptable traction, perfect for fast training runs, long trail days, and ultra-style road-to-trail adventures. Hoka Mafate 5. Picture yourself charging up a muddy climb or flying down a rocky descent, each step cushioned, stable, and confident. That's the Hoka Mafate 5 in action. A trail running shoes built for long distances, rugged terrain, and technical routes where comfort, traction, and protection aren't optional. Hoka takes its decades of trail expertise and elevates it with rocker integrity technology. A new midsole design that pairs a soft EVA layer with a firmer base for a ride that's both plush and responsive. This dual-density setup absorbs impact across uneven ground while keeping heel-to-toe transitions efficient, a major advantage on marathon long runs and technical trails. Underfoot, Vibram Mega Grip with traction lug technology and aggressive 5mm lugs deliver grip on everything from muddy climbs to rocky descents. It's a standout feature for runners who demand confidence underfoot in every condition. Despite the max cushion setup, weight remains reasonable, about 11.7 ounces for men and 10.1 ounces for women, while the 8mm heel-to-toe drop supports a smooth, natural gait without sacrificing protection. The upper blends breathability and durability with warp-knit mesh reinforced by a flow-molded TPU cage. It hugs the foot securely, keeps debris out, and even includes gaiter attachment points for added trail protection against rocks, mud, and dirt. Salomon Ultra Glide 3. Imagine hitting the trails or pounding the pavement and feeling like every step is effortless, energized, and perfectly cushioned. That's exactly what the Salomon Ultra Glide 3 delivers. Built for serious runners logging long miles or daily training, this shoe combines plush comfort, versatile traction, and a breathable, secure fit to make mixed-terrain runs smoother and more controlled than ever. The lightweight EVA Energy Foam midsole absorbs impact, reduces fatigue, and keeps each stride bouncy and dynamic from start to finish. A 6mm heel-to-toe drop promotes natural running motion while adding stability across uneven surfaces. The all-terrain Contagrip outsole with 4mm lugs grips dirt, gravel, packed trails, and light stretches of road confidently, while Relief Sphere geometry disperses pressure for softer, more controlled landings. Comfort meets precision in the upper, where breathable engineered mesh wraps the foot securely, supported by internal EndoFit and SensiFit systems. Quick lace one-pull lacing locks in the fit instantly, and a lace pocket keeps excess cord tucked neatly, maintaining a clean, stable ride. Balance stands out thanks to a wider midsole platform and generous cushioning, making long-distance runs, casual trail days, and multi-surface workouts feel effortless. Weighing just 10 ounces, the Salomon Ultra Glide 3 delivers lightweight durability, plush cushioning, and a secure sock-like fit, providing reliable grip on rugged trails and long runs, all for $140. OnCloud Ultra 3. The OnCloud Ultra 3 delivers springy energy, plush cushioning, and confident traction from rocky climbs to muddy descents, keeping every mile smoother, faster, and fresher than ever. At the core is Helion HF Hyperfoam Dual Midsole, absorbing impact and rebounding it forward so long runs feel lighter and more fluid. The 6mm heel-to-toe drop supports natural motion, while generous underfoot cushioning makes steep climbs, rolling descents, and rugged terrain feel effortless. The engineered Leno weave upper hugs the foot securely while staying breathable and quick-drying. Abrasion-resistant zones protect against rocks and debris, keeping your feet comfortable and confident for hours. Integrated rocker geometry keeps your stride flowing, maintaining momentum across long, technical trails. This traction comes from the redesigned Mission Grip outsole with an evolved lug pattern that grips mud, loose dirt, and uneven terrain with precision. New Balance Fresh Foam X Hierro V9. Ever hit a trail and feel like your shoes are working against you? The New Balance Fresh Foam X Hierro V9 conquers rugged terrain with reliable grip, plush cushioning, and confident support that keeps you moving forward on any technical trail. Dual-density Fresh Foam X midsole delivers deep, luxurious cushioning, while a slightly firmer base maintains stability across uneven ground. Every step absorbs impact while keeping your stride springy and responsive. Traction is critical on trails, and Hierro 5.9 excels with a Vibram Mega Grip outsole featuring 6mm lugs. The redesigned tread pattern provides multi-directional hold on muddy switchbacks, loose gravel, slick roots, and rocky descents, while Toe Protect technology shields your toes from rocks and debris so you can focus on your run. The upper combines breathable mesh with durable synthetic overlays, and a gusseted tongue keeps dirt and pebbles out without compromising airflow. Despite its cushioning and protection, the shoe remains light, weighing roughly 10.3 ounces for men and 8.3 ounces for women. A 4mm heel-to-toe drop supports a natural, efficient stride, and the neutral support profile ensures a balanced ride for a wide range of runners. Priced at $160, the new Balance Fresh Foam X Hierro 5.9 delivers plush cushioning, reliable grip, and confident support to tackle any rugged technical trail. OnCloud Surfer Trail 2. OnCloud Surfer Trail 2 keeps you moving with confidence on wet and unpredictable trails, delivering stable cushioning, reliable traction, and full waterproof protection across rolling hills, light technical sections, and mixed surfaces. Underfoot, CloudTech phase cushioning paired with shock-absorbing Helion Superfoam creates smooth heel-to-toe transitions that make every stride feel connected and responsive. The plush heel and balanced midsole absorb impact while preserving a lively, springy feel, keeping your legs comfortable on longer runs. The upper is waterproof yet breathable and abrasion-resistant, keeping moisture out while allowing airflow so feet stay dry and comfortable. Whether you're splashing through puddles or running in misty rain, the membrane blocks water without trapping heat. On grip comes from the Mission Grip rubber outsole with updated boomerang-shaped lugs, delivering stable bite on wet and dry surfaces alike. Comfort is built in. An improved heel fit and padded lining lock your foot in place while reducing pressure points, and the breathable mesh under the waterproof layer balances airflow so feet don't feel restricted. Priced around $190, the OnCloud Surfer Trail 2 offers a premium combination of waterproof protection, dependable traction, and smooth, responsive ride quality. Ultra Wild 2. Ultra Wild 2 delivers smooth, responsive trail performance with unmatched comfort, grip, and efficiency, keeping every stride controlled across fire roads, hills, and light technical terrain. The Wild 2 balances cushioning and traction without compromising natural motion. Ultra's signature foot-shaped design gives your toes room to splay naturally, keeping your foot stable and secure on uneven ground. The lightweight compression-molded EVA midsole provides soft, supportive cushioning that absorbs impact and keeps your legs fresh on longer outings. A 4mm heel-to-toe drop promotes a smooth, natural foot strike, letting you run efficiently without forcing your gait into an unnatural position. Traction comes from the Max Track outsole, featuring a thoughtfully designed tread that grips loose soil, packed dirt, arms, and gravel with confidence. The breathable mesh upper with reinforced TPU overlays enhances durability while maintaining airflow, and the integrated gaiter trap allows easy attachment of trail gaiters to keep debris out. Fit and comfort are exceptional. A roomy toe box supports natural toe movement, while the secure midfoot hold ensures stability when pushing pace or navigating tricky terrain. Despite its trail-ready features, the Wild 2 remains lightweight, with men's sizes around 10.4 ounces, giving you a responsive, energetic feel step after step. Priced at about $140, the Ultra Wild 2 is a versatile, dependable trail shoe that combines cushioned comfort, natural movement, and confident grip, making it an ideal choice for runners who want performance and reliability without compromise. At the end of the run, the right trail shoe is the difference between confidence and hesitation. The models we covered earn their place by staying stable on uneven ground, gripping when conditions turn ugly, and protecting your feet when the miles start to fight back. If this breakdown helped you narrow your choice and avoid a costly mistake, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing for more real-world gear reviews, and staying ready for what is coming next.